friends, this is the third video on a bridge construction. Now you can see here the piles are being casted. The next pier is being casted. Now you can visible here clearly the Coffer dam also laid for the casting of the next piers. See here the rectangular part at the bottom of the pier is the pile cap, and above the pile cap the pier is being casted. The concrete work is done with the ready mix concrete. You can see here a transit mixer. From the transit mixer, now the bucket is being lifted with the crane. The crane is erected here, which lift the concrete from the transit mixer, and it will be placed on the top of the pier, so that the concreting of the pier will be done. And by lifting the formwork, this is a vertical slip formwork you can see here, so that the pier is being casted. Now the worker is removing the bottom of the bucket so that the concrete get poured in the formwork and the pier will be casted. In my past video, I have explained regarding the pile foundation, how the piles are given. So please watch, like and share to your friends so that they experience the bridge construction. Also subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification of the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.